M-Trim presents WPB 1x6 Deco Square. At 5.5 inches high by 5/8 of an inch wide, this 8-foot waterproof polymer trim combines high performance with strong visual impact. Its clean, squared profile adds a touch of modern elegance to any space. Waterproof, insect-resistant, it won't warp over time and can be used indoors or outdoors. Excellent for accentuating tall walls or high-ceiling interiors. This pre-painted waterproof baseboard is constructed from a white, high-density PVC composite, made from 100% recycled materials and is ready to be installed with no paint required. It can also be custom painted with water-based paint to match any space. This baseboard is perfect for covering the gap between the floor and wall, protecting surfaces from scratches and enhancing the room's appearance. Recommended for open-concept living rooms with hardwood floors, contemporary kitchens with large format tiles, design-forward office spaces seeking clean edges. Make a statement without sacrificing durability. M-Trim, molding innovation.